guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today I'm over here in the pumpkin patch. Danny and I had 3 pumpkins that came on our vines, and that's it. They are the Mammoth Golds, and I'm going to show you a little bit about them. We are part of a challenge that was started by 4 kids in a farm and Hoss Tools. Growing the biggest pumpkin, and I'm afraid I did not win this year. Just ain't happening. They're good size. And they're beautiful, but they're just not going to be the giant mammoth pumpkin that I was hoping for. Now this one, you can see the vine's already starting to die and everything. It just did not do very well. We had them inside. We started them in starter trays, brought them out. It was too cool, then it was too hot. It's too wet, it's too dry. We've had a little of everything go on with them. So Danny said the vine borers are fixing to start and we need to get them before that. So I'm going to take these off now and then we'll go weigh them. See if I can get it off. I don't need that limb, that leaf. All right, this is one of them. And the side that was laying on there is flat. But look at the color. Isn't that amazing? I would say maybe 3 pounds. Just guessing on this one. This one's probably the biggest. But no way is it huge. I mean, my hand, you can tell. Maybe 3 pounds. Just guessing. The second one, probably 2 to 2.5, maybe, because it's not quite as big as the other one, but we're just guessing. And I'm gonna think this one's gonna be maybe 2 pounds. Okay, we're gonna see how much this one weighs. It is on 0. Whoa. More than I thought. 6.5. Wow. That's the one I said I thought was 3 pounds. Not award winning, but 6.5. Wow. I'm shocked. All right, the second pumpkin is almost at 5. It's pretty close. We're going to call it 5. And we're going to check the third one. This one I thought was 2.5 pounds. It is a little, well, I'd say right at 4, wouldn't you say? So, 6.5 and 5 is 11.5, and 4, hey, 15 pounds. I got 15 pounds of pumpkins, right guys? So guys, it may not be the award-winning pumpkins, but look, aren't they beautiful? And if I added them all together, y'all talk to 4 kids in a farm and Hoss Tools, maybe I could win at 15 pounds, we'll see. So if I could convince them to let me combine the weight, I might be in the running. But these are not award-winning pumpkins. These are the Mammoth Golds, and they did really good here for the conditions that we had and the things. I've never grown big pumpkins before. We've only grown the Cherokee Tans, and my Cherokee Tans are about this size right here. I'm just saying. So y'all check out 4 Kids in a Farm, Hoss Tools. They're talking about the Great Pumpkin Challenge. And if you're going to put pictures on Facebook, Instagram, things like that, hashtag Hoss Pumpkin Boss, and then tag 4 Kids in a Farm. You guys, you could win $200 from Hoss Tools and a gift certificate. Wouldn't that be awesome? So, biggest pumpkin, y'all grow them. Deep South's out. Bye, guys.